Welcome inside a modern banana chips food factory, where fresh bananas are transformed into crispy snack packs. Every day, skilled workers enter the inside factory process factory to begin the journey of transforming fresh bananas into crispy banana chips. The journey begins with freshly harvested bananas delivered directly from farms. Inside this factory, fresh bananas become the crispy banana chips enjoyed around the world. Every day, thousands of fresh bananas enter this production line to become the crunchy snack enjoyed around the world. Only high-quality bananas are selected to ensure perfect taste and crisp texture. Within seconds, the bananas are peeled and prepared for the slicing process. The approved bananas now move forward to the peeling and preparation stage. All right, steady on the stem. Fork coming in, clear the path. Pump it up, let's get this pallet clear. Once cleaned and dried, the bananas move toward precision slicing machines that shape them into future banana chips. Check these for uniform thickness.
This one is slightly off.
Set it aside. Keep checking.
These are good, ready for frying.
Excellent. Pack them. This one's 2.55 millimeters, just right.
Good, mine is 2.50, consistent.
Next batch looks good.
Yes, quality is holding.
Pressure holding steady at 2.5 bar. Sanitation sensors are green across the board. Good. Proceed to the next unit.
On it, flow rates are optimal.
This treatment keeps the banana slices fresh in color, so they become perfectly golden banana chips later. Color looks good. Checking texture now. Agreed. This one seems fine.
This slice has a soft spot. Let's check another. This one is firm and the right shade.
Every snack pack receives the perfect portion of crispy banana chips. The next stage protects the natural color of the banana slices before they are cooked into crispy banana chips. In just a few minutes, simple banana slices transform into crispy golden banana chips. To keep the banana chips light and crunchy, excess oil is carefully removed. Now the prepared banana slices move to the most important step, turning them into crispy banana chips. Temp is holding steady at 148. Okay, bumping it to 150 now.
Looks stable. Keep an eye on the oil level. Will do. Alarm is clear.
Let's check the flavor balance. The salt and spice are well balanced. Now testing crispiness. Excellent snap and crunch. Fryer 1 holding at 190, oil circulation is optimal. Bump temp to 195, monitor for hot spots. Good, conveyor speed looks stable, no alerts, process is running smooth. Perfectly uniform slices ensure every banana chip cooks evenly and becomes perfectly crispy. Now the plain banana chips are ready to receive their delicious flavors.
After frying, the hot banana chips must cool down before the next step.
Inside the factory, the freshness protection system flushes nitrogen into bags of banana chips. This displaces oxygen, keeping the chips fresh and crunchy until opened.
After seasoning, the crispy banana chips move to the final stage, packaging. The crispy banana chips are now perfectly flavored and ready to be packed into snack packs.
Inside the factory, the freshness protection system flushes nitrogen into bags of banana chips. This displaces oxygen, keeping the chips fresh and crunchy until opened.
Thousands of banana chip snack packs are prepared every day for delivery. This is how fresh bananas are transformed into crispy banana chip snack packs.